Really? Sweet. Nice. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So what is your box cubic space roughly, if you know? Do you remember that? 7? 7 cubes? Okay. Nice. And I like the way you braced your roof. The top of here panel of the roof to the trunk box. Looks really good.
Doesn't move around in there at all.
Okay.
And this is my daily driver.
Really? Sweet. Nice. And this is at one or half? Half home. Okay. Very nice. Good job. Thank you for showing me. Nice to meet y'all. Is it louder with the trunk open or closed inside the cabin?
It's louder with it open.
Okay. All right. With the back windows open and all too?
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter.
Okay, that's pretty cool. I like this box. Looks really good. Yeah.
It meters better.
Did you build this? This looks good.
Bobby Gately built that box.
Okay.
And my husband put it all together.
Okay. So what is your name and the equipment in here real quick for the video?
Okay.
Go ahead.
So my name is Marty. I have 4 Sundown U-Series 12s.
Okay.
And a custom built Gately box.
Nice. Looks good.
On a Salt 8K.
Okay.
And I got 270 amp hour lithium in here.
Wow. Is that all back there or is some in here?
I got 2 in the back, 1 here, 1 under the hood.
Okay. Got it. Nice. And you still have your back seats where they can go up and down, so you have the back. Okay.
There's an actual trunk roll.
Okay. It's very unique to see you have the port like this and the subs back, or subs up. What made you do that instead of having the port facing back?
I wanted 4.
You wanted more? Okay.
I wanted 4 speakers.
Oh, okay. And it's louder with the port facing forward instead of back?
Yeah, it sounds better.
Okay. All right.
Join up stasis, natural chemicals and the clean dopamine storming in my brain like a wild vaccine. Welcome back, Mr. Navigator, to rule your life and be the operator. Who's the role, find the soul, get the goal, make it all, navigate the system, take cruise control. This is the weekend, rain on things and reach your cool friend. Time to dance, take a chance, go wild in a trance. Everyone can win a game of romance. Welcome back, Mr. Navigator, to rule your life and be the motivator. Live it up, let it flow, lose it up, let it go. Be the miracle, your own commando.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Nice and clean too, yeah.
That's the way we wanted it.
Oh yeah.
It's all sound deadened all over the roof and
Yeah.
in the doors and in the
I'm
floor
impressed to
and
see how
everything.
loud you got with the trunk open, because most of the time the trunk would let it not breathe, but it let it breathe in here.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
So I do a 150 on the windshield with the front open.
Wow, that's good. Are you happy? Yeah.
Yeah. 152.7 in the case.
Okay. All right. Are you happy with it? Or are you still
Oh
trying?
yeah. It's always a constant practice.
Oh yeah.
I don't tear down. I just keep building up.
That's right.
Yeah.
I like your brakes too to kind of help keep this from
I
shattering.
had my husband build this. He's a welder,
Awesome.
so he does a lot
Okay.
of my metal work.
Nice. I'm gonna go look at the box too.
His
Okay.
rod over here.
All right.